guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this video I will show how to change your generate image by video. So guys, I'm just login here RunwayML AI.com. so I'm just click generate video because I don't need generate image because I already generate image by Leonardo.ai. This is totally free. So now I'm start with image. So now click on start with image options. So loading this page, wait for response. So keep watching my video. Now I'm upload a file. Click here and pick up your photo. I'm just select my photo. Okay, first and second. Okay, now one by one click one, just drag and drop here. So guys, I'm just back again because I'm trying to 4 photo with drag, then generate 4-second video, 4 image, 16-second video. So guys, I cannot drag and wait for response. So guys, actually I cannot multiple adding image. So now one by one image to video. So I click generate and then my video is ready and exporting. So guys, I'm just preview one photo to video. So guys, I'm just creating next. So keep watching this video, subscribe more video.